Many of you would like to create Android mobile phone application using Python. We can create this Python application using Kivy framework. Here we will show how to install Kivy framework in your system. There are many ways to install Kivy. I will show you one of the ways which I have used. In the second video lecture of the playlist Python with Case, I have shown how to install PyCharm, and there I have also shown how to create Python project and how to create Python file. To install Kivy, open PyCharm and in your code editor create your project folder and Python file. I have already created my project folder and Python file. You see my project name is Travel and Tour. Now go to File, go to Setting, go to Project, double click in Project Interpreter. You see here the library is installed in the computer. Now to install Kivy, click on this plus sign and search Kivy. Now see Kivy module and select it. And click on the Install Package button. I have already installed Kivy, so I am not going to click again on the button. Hope it helped you to understand how to install Kivy framework in your system. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box.